What's going on, guys? It's Levi here with Sue Automotive. I just recently got a package today, as a matter of fact, that I've been waiting on for probably about a week now. I went ahead and bought my Racing Beat full road race exhaust from Mazda RX. Now, the buying process was fairly simple. I went online, MazdaRX.com, selected my year of RX-7. Clicked on the exhaust tab, got the exhaust. Now, apparently, and this is something I didn't know, Mazda RX does sell the exhaust itself, but they do not actually own, like they don't have the physical copy of the exhaust. What they do is they end up ordering through Racing Beat for you, which if I would have known that, I would just order from Racing Beat. But I did save a little bit on shipping, for whatever reason, which is really weird. Mazda RX had better shipping or cheaper shipping than Racing Beat did, and Racing Beat stated that they were on back order, so I didn't order it through them. I ordered it through Mazda RX instead. But so ordered it, and then a couple of days later, I ordered it on a Friday. A couple of days later, got a tracking number, or I'm sorry, Monday or Tuesday, I got a tracking number, and I was like, yeah, it's going to be here Thursday, which was last Thursday. So 2 Fridays ago, I had ordered it, and this past last Tuesday, they had said that, or they had sent me a tracking number, and so I plugged it in like anybody does when they're waiting on a package to see when it was coming, and they said it was going to be coming on Thursday, and I was like, nice, I got it in like 3 days. It's pretty cool. And then I noticed on UPS.com up at the top corner that it said that it wasn't coming to Louisiana, that it was going to Connecticut. And I was like, wait, something's wrong. Connecticut? Why Connecticut? So I contact UPS. UPS tells me that they cannot tell me whose name is on it, but that it is not my name and it is not my address. So I then contacted Mazda RX, but of course by this time they were already closed. So I contacted them the next morning. They told me that apparently somebody else had also ordered an exhaust, and they thought it was mine. They thought I was the only one. So they gave me their tracking number instead. No big deal. I was a little bummed. So I had to wait. And that's when they let me know that it wasn't, since they got the wrong tracking number, that it's not actually them that ship it out. It's actually Racing Beat. So I'm assuming that they're an authorized dealer, but they don't actually sell it. They have to go through Racing Beat. So I contact Racing Beat. Racing Beat gave me my proper tracking number and let me know that it wouldn't show up until Tuesday, which was yesterday. So that's a week from me talking to Mazda RX. And I was like, okay, that's fine. I was kind of bummed. I was hoping to get it done for the weekend, but no big deal. So, get the tracking number. I'm all set. I'm all stoked. Yesterday comes around. I look at it. It says it's on the truck at 9 o'clock in the morning. It's getting ready to be delivered. I get home, no package. Asked my wife if they tried coming. She said no. So, pull up the app or the webpage, check it again, and it's delayed for some unknown reason. And the only reason I could think of is package weighs 91 pounds. They probably got it on the truck and then realized that it's going to a residential address, and then realized they couldn't get it off the truck because it is a pretty decent box, pretty big size box, and they probably didn't have like a dolly or something to carry it on that particular truck. So I had to wait till today. And it finally arrived. Not in the best condition. The innards, I don't know. But as far as the exterior, it's got a couple holes in the boxes. Wasn't packaged very well, and I don't know if that's on Racing Beat's part or if that's on UPS and not handling it correctly. But yeah, so excuse the mess. There's the box there from Racing Beat. I will leave a description in the link below. That way, or I will leave a link in the description below. And here we go. Let's go ahead and open it up. see, one of the holes right here from one of the exhaust hangers, and another one is right down here from another one of the exhaust hangers. So this right here looks like it is the pre-silencer. Let's see. I guess I could use the knife. This here is the pre-silencer, I believe. Looks just like it. It was wrapped up pretty good, and from where it was hanging out of the box, I don't see any damage. If there is some damage, it's very minuscule. This looks like one of the mufflers. So at first glance of the outside, it looks like it wasn't packaged very well, but on the inside it was definitely packaged very well. So it looks like maybe just the box itself decided to take a crap, or it was just handled wrong. Here is one of the mufflers. Cannot tell right offhand. Looks like maybe it's the left muffler. No signs of damage. Oh, wait. No. Take that back. I do have some damage right there. A dent. Kind of sucks. I don't think I'm going to send it back just for that, though. I guess if it doesn't sound right, maybe I will. But other than that, looks okay. It's got a nice logo. Get it on the camera. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, maybe because the light's a little too. It says it right there, Racing Beat. Got the Y and the hardware. rather than just sticking the gaskets and stuff in there, they actually put it on some cardboard backing. That way it wouldn't bend or flex. It's a nice little touch. And they used a lot of tape. A lot of tape. So that's the exhaust manifold gasket. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Not gonna lie. Then we have our, what I can assume is the pre-silencer to exhaust manifold gasket there. All the bolts and stuff needed for it. That's one piece of hardware. May have a second piece somewhere in here. Got the Y right here. Again, they have tape everywhere. Bubble wrap everywhere, which isn't a bad thing. Welds look good, solid, nothing broken. No damage. That's the Y. Here's the other muffler, the right side muffler. Hopefully there's not a dent in this one. Oh, you know what? It may not be a dent. So, there is a dent on this one as well, but now that I look at it, like that may be part, because it's in the exact same spot as the other side. That may just be part of the design in order to clear the gas tank. Maybe in that one area, just right there. It's in the exact same spot as the other side. I don't think so. I think it's right in the same spot.
This one's on the side.
Oh, well, maybe. Running out of room. Then we have another hardware kit right here. contains another one of the silencer, or the pre-silencer gaskets that feeds to the Y, it looks like. I got my vacuum hose for my 6-port actuator. I got a cap of some sort here. And then I have all the bolts and whatnot for it. Here we have the actual exhaust manifold or headers. They are very nice and shiny. Has the piece for the 6-port actuator. Very nice. I'm very excited about this. Can't wait to put it on. I'll be putting it on this weekend, hopefully, if no problems arise. And yeah, I'm very happy with the purchase. Overall, the experience was great. The other bad thing was when they dropped it off, they only brought it to my porch. They didn't actually like bring it to my door. So it kind of blocked my wife in, and I was at work. So she, like a 130-pound woman, had to carry almost a 100-pound box into the house by herself. I'm surprised the UPS driver didn't like bring it a little bit closer. That way she didn't have to drag it as far. But yeah, so that's going to wrap up this video. I will hopefully be getting a video. I'm not sure about installing because it seems like it's not necessarily going to be rough, but it's just me, and I'm going to be doing it on Saturday at my shop, so I won't actually be able to, I don't have a tripod or anything to really help with that. So I'm probably just going to put it together. I may get some maybe mobile phone videos or something like that as a possibility. Maybe I can con one of my coworkers into videoing me when he's actually on the clock working, and I'm just having fun. But until the next clip, see you guys later.